Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader. It is 12:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, October 20th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about Ethereum, one of the major platforms out there. Make no mistake about it, in which many thousands of cryptos are connected into. Intraday updates are on that twitter.com link below the video if you're interested in the intraday updates. In the meantime, let's take a look at the Ethereum US dollar pair. Again, this is that long channel. Now, I'm going to paste in the bottom of this link. I'm going to paste the end of year prediction that I made back on October 1st. Since then, we've already risen 25%. When we did the video on October 1st, I said we will handily hit 4,400 between now and the end of the year. I think now I may have to revise it even higher. My predictions are generally conservative, and I try not to overdo it. There's plenty of moon videos out there. I don't do mooning videos. I just do what I see, but we track it for the long term. The mooning videos means different things to different people. When I was an 80s kid, mooning meant stick your butt out the back of the car, of the window, and, show your butt to your neighbors. That was called mooning. Well, now mooning has taken on a much different meaning. Mooning today is a stock or investment, such as a crypto, that goes, quote unquote, to the moon. 10x, 20x, 100x. All right. Ethereum's not a moon type of a product. However, it has very strong growth capabilities that I think anyone would agree with, especially billionaires and money managers out there. You get 10% or 20% in, a few months. That's a pretty big deal. Now, we're talking about Ethereum. We started looking at this October 1st. Again, we're just going to take a step back. 3,200 is where we were looking at this thing. And we thought that between then and the end of the year, which is still another couple of months away, we thought we would hit 4,400, which is a good 40% uptick from our target, from our original price. So we've already gotten 25% there. We got another 10% to go. But make no mistake about it. This is a lower end estimate on Ethereum. We could definitely see a much higher price than 4,400 between now and then. But let's take a look at the channel here. Clearly started out in mid to late Feb of 2020 and has been going up ever since. Now we're still at the low end of this channel. It means multiple things here. I don't think we're going to come back and touch and kiss the bottom support line of that channel anymore. Now let's look at Ethereum Bitcoin. This is kind of a spaceship looking pattern here. If this is like the seat and this is kind of like me inside of it. But then there's this little pennant going on over here as well. So since we broke out properly of this little rocket ship, now we're starting to see a pennant formation here. This is a pretty bullish looking pennant formation. I expect that we would break out to the upside. And as far up as we could go, possibly up to around the 10,000 range, which would be another pretty significant jump. That's 66% from where this thing is right this second, right now. So that could take some time. That could take another few months from now. So we're going to continue to track this. This is definitely a very compelling pattern. These are pretty tried and true. These they call them pennants. It's a lot easier to say than symmetric triangles, less syllables, but let's move forward. Now on the Bitcoin pair, we're definitely bouncy booed over that line, this green line up here. Because we're zoomed in, it's hard to see it. But this green line was a formidable line that went all the way back in time to the 80,000 range. As you can see here, we are, when we were talking about this, we were already up here somewhere in the nosebleed section. And this green line I had drawn for everyone. We went down, we went up, we were hand gliding for a little bit, or gliding on that line, and then bouncy booed back up, and now we're literally almost 67,000. In fact, we almost hit it today, at least on the Coinbase exchange, 66,999. I I think we are going to 80,000 here handily. So we still have another 20% or so left to go on this thing to the upside. And we still have 2.5 months left. Pretty significant rise for Bitcoin. I expect we're going to see something very similar for Ethereum. So I may have to revise my numbers here. On the low end, we had 4,400. That's what we said back on October 1st when Ethereum was trading at 3,200. But we're already at 4,000. We barely even got through. We're 3 weeks later, and we're already up 25%. I personally think this is going to be a pretty strong rally for this quarter for overarching cryptos. So my 4,400 number, I would probably have to revise it up to 5K. I'll have more of a detailed outlook on that on the next video. But in the meantime, hope everyone's well. Take it easy. Bye.